Alright, time to test. It's only 1.3 gigabyte because there's no software yet available on it, except a few things, right? So CARLI 11, choose a disk file. It's now June the 11th and we boot up. And of course it's on my other screen. Putting you here again, booting up. And then together with the boot up, you think, right? You think, what did I change? What should I be watching out for? What, and chronologically, what comes first? What comes next? We've got this install system that we've put on the desktop. Okay, check. We're still live user. We changed things around. Normally these guys are at the side here. Finish this new, so we'll have to look at that. Next, Brussels, fine. Belgium, still so. This bug will be out of soon. And then erase disk, you choose whatever you want to choose. Next. And here we can still type the easy passwords, right? The password is shorter than 6. It's just a warning. If you do this right, then no go. But I just want to keep to Eric, as simple as that. You make it complexer if you want. And just use a password that's complex. Here we're gonna unsquash the thing, the file, SFS, somewhere. Unpack FS, squash file system, mount it first, then we're gonna unsquash it. Here is SFS. And then, yeah, of course, it's just next slide. So this click, right click, mouse, left click, right? It's just that. Next slide. So you really need to wait for all the zeros and all the ones to move from A to B, basically. And if you're wondering where is B, B is in temp. Here is B. This is your future system. He's gonna have the folders. Maybe you need to see, I don't know. He's busy somewhere, right? He's busy copying in some folder. And that's good. So this is the choice of the icons. Sublime text was already there. Some things I can't live without. Melt and Sublime text. And the internet, no internet. All you need to do is type the word Firefox in the packages list. You've got it. It's installed. And this is your config, right? Config of Calamars is going through all things, all these config one by one. And restart now is not active. So I need to do it myself. Done. That was the last finished, right? Go back in time. That was a new finished, not a finished queue. Ouch! Color type not supported, press any key. So there is a problem. Huh? There's a problem with grub. We didn't change anything to the grub. Et voila. We are here. Sudo pacman -syyy. Everything there? Yes, everything there. Is Yay installed? Yes, Yay was installed. Missing AOR packages, CARLI grub polybar dark. Should have been gone. It's not gone. CARLI grub poly dark. Did we change anything to it? No. CARLI keyring should be still there. All the rest should be still there. Ah yeah, CARLI grub poly dark should stay as well. No, it's not Calamars, it's grub. Of course it can stay. What's wrong with it? You don't like the image, my friend. Boot, grub, themes, Starfield. Then we go and have a look at etc defaults. Grub, tell me where it is, grub. is here. User share. Okay. File. User. Share. And then grub themes. Let's start typing. Grub themes. Enter. Polydark. Why all of a sudden can't you background PNG? Updates? Might be. Let's see what happens step by step. Let's see what happens if we put a hashtag in front of it. Save. Wrong application, right? Wrong application. Don't save. Sublime text. Then we have this one. So forget about the design, it's about the background. If that's your issue, let's see. Now you change something in the grub. If you want to see it, you have to type update grub. No, I thought as much. That's an alias that we have, and I'm gonna type in the screen next to me alias update grub. What was this again? This was sudo grub make me the configuration, and the output is gonna be in boot /grub/grub.cfg. Enter. Okay. Then we're gonna sudo reboot. SR is probably unknown as well. Yep, sudo reboot. These are all aliases, and you put them in the bash or C, the fish, the SSH, whatever, right? But it needs to be there if you want to use it. No problem. Booting up. So it is really the image. We can make a GPG from it. Shut down. See if that's the issue. We saw something about image not being correct. Yeah, we didn't do anything to the image. So CARLI, we have the grub polydark. Yeah, okay. Background PNG. Right mouse click, convert to GPG. Done. And let's see if that's what it's all about. Might be also about something else entirely. We can see, right? We can test, and this is what you need to do. Test, try, fail, test again, try, fail. Never give up. GPG. So from PNG to GPG. Oh, that's something else. Alpha. Gone. Then we build it. Build. CARLI package build. CARLI grub. Well, first edit. It's just a line up here. Up. Okay. Whoa. All right. It's a release number. Okay. Make the package. So this is automatically normally release 5. Up. All right. Signing. GPG. Deep touch sign. Always forget that. Cut. Repo. One level up. Repo. Console find. Then we're gonna put this online. Okay. That's online. Oracle's still there. Booting up again. Not from the ISO, from the system, without the image. So this is good, right? It works. What else did we all change? And that's maybe interesting to get Git ahead again, right? To see what did we change? We did change some things and compare. Minus S YYU. Sudo pacman minus S CARLI something Carla. Okay. Ah, yeah. Got it. The thing is, the CARLI repo is not there, right? At this point in time, the CARLI repo is not available. All right, no problem. Sudo pacman minus S Firefox. I'm going to go via the system. I actually could also do this. Go to machine, file manager, and get a file in like that. I'll just go online, internet, Firefox, because then I can teach you something else. GitHub CARLI, let's see what we get. Already in a good project. Go find the repo. Find the polydark number 5. Yeah, that's true. Download that one. Click it. Install it. Sudo pacman minus U CARLI grub. That's installed. Update grub, I guess. I hope it's still in there. That one. Yeah. I think we thought about everything. Let's see why it's not there. So yes, it's not an ET, and we need to go to here. Defaults. Grub. We did change that, huh? So the hashtag needs to go. Otherwise, it won't launch polydark. Yes, we went for polydark. And Control T, update grub. Now we can do sudo reboot. Let's hope it's a GPC thing. Otherwise, what else? I would choose another background, I guess. But why, right? Why? Didn't change anything. It needs a GPG. Same changes in grub, probably. It's back anyway. So I'm happy. Stop. I'm gonna go back for put this in a little small window like this. If we can, yes we can. And then we go check ourselves. CARLI 11. Some versions. Unlock is on. Yep. Captain cursor. This is the Captain cursor. Well, if you go in there, it's the black thing. Oh yeah, SDM. Oh my god, Eric. Oh my god. Have a look at an SDM theme, right? Log out. Ouch. Why is it not applied? Let's have a look. File system etc sdm.conf KD settings. Elegant. Is it another name? Is it not called Elegant? Is it installed? Another question. User share sdm enter themes enter. Ah, capital letter Elegant. What the fuck, right? Ah, and it's always like that. Spaces, tabs, typos, capital letter, right? Losers. Log out. And it's an old theme. The theme doesn't work. It needs graphical effects is not installed, it says. Okay, then we install graphical effects and we hope it works. Sudo pacman -sqt5 dash, oh, another typo. Let's first get our typo out of the way. So, what was the typo? Arch ISO, here, azm.conf, KD settings, capital E, save. All right, so next time I build, it works. Let's put it online. Right. This is the real life of a developer. Capital E, space. You'll see me make comments like that. Space, tab, typo, capital E. that's out of frustration. All right, Qt something. Qt5 and then tab. What did he want? Graphical effects, I think it is. Graphical effects. We'll put that in as a dependency later. But is it working? Log out. That's nicer. We got this. We have just one desktop, which can be easily fixed. Right, that's stopping and a shutdown. Okay, escape. And we have this. So now I wanted to install another desktop with the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Right, I'll stop myself. Okay, the application that we just created here, CARLI package build, the SAM elegant theme has a package build dependency that's not in here. So it depends not only on that one, but also on Ctrl-T. So you go typos, right? I want to avoid at all costs typos. That's why I do this. Ctrl-Shift-C, and then in here Ctrl-V, save. So now when I build it again, it will have Qt5 graphical effects installed and it will work. I have to build it again. Let's sign it this time. Didn't forget it this time. Yay. Good for me. And then delete this one. X marks the spot. CARLI repo. This one, Ctrl-V, replace, and put it online. So next ISO I'm gonna build, and the one I'm gonna put online will have this. Now, we were busy also checking the differences. So CARLI 11, what should I check out? Oh, wrong one. What should I control or check? So the capital E, yay, right? And that, the SEM on, enable true, and polydark theme. So we've learned something. Something happened to grub, and it says PNG, whatever. That's way back, right? 5/1, so that's January. What are we looking at, right? It's not important. What is important is this. We changed that as well. Well, I give my virtual machine 30 gigabytes. Yeah, I say it right, 30 gigabytes. We upped the number to 10, I believe, here, so no problem. So one is out, one is in. We've done all these checks before, but you might be astonished, but I do checks upon checks upon checks. Because yeah, sometimes there are late hours, already tired, still want to finish things, and that's when the mistakes happen, right? Looking good. So that changed, this changed, no, yes changed, no, yes, yes, no, and no. Okay, time to rebuild again. Power off, bomb. CARLI 11, installation scripts. We're running again. And that's the process. Building, building upon building upon building. If you think it's easy, well, it is easy if somebody explains it, but it is always still time. All right, let's stop the video here and let's make the final video of the new release. Voila, saving. Oh, wait, something to explain here. So again, right, signature, what did we do? We overwrote, yeah, is that the right word? Yeah, to overwrite, we overwrote the packages, but the signature that I have now is not the same as the signature that's online. The thing has been removed, fine, arrow up, enter, that's it, right? Arrow up, right, that's it. And off it goes. That's the new SEDM elegant theme. Exactly the same number, and that's the problem. The number is the same. Pacman can't cope with things that stay the same. So that's why I always say, if you make packages yourself, up the number. Always up the number. Otherwise you get these messages. But as you see, arrow up. Now I'm stopping the video.